Martinez Law Center. We're here to answer a critical question that affects thousands of renters across our state: eviction record sealing. Is it really possible? The reality is, yes, eviction record sealing is possible, but it's far more complex than most tenants realize. We specialize in tenant rights, and we want you to understand exactly what this process entails and when it might work for your situation. First, let's clarify what sealing actually means. When we seal an eviction record, we're making it unavailable to public view, but it's not completely erased. Think of it as locking the record away rather than burning it. True expungement, which permanently removes the record, is a separate and often more difficult process. Your eligibility depends heavily on how your eviction case concluded. If you won your case or it was dismissed, you have the strongest chances for sealing. Some jurisdictions even allow sealing when landlord-tenant settlements are reached. However, if you lost the case, sealing becomes much more challenging, though not impossible under certain circumstances. California's laws vary by county, creating a complex patchwork of rules. Some areas require waiting periods before you can apply, while others consider factors like undue hardship when evaluating your petition. This is why the legal landscape can seem confusing, because it truly varies depending on where your case occurred. Why does this matter so much? Eviction records create serious barriers. Landlords use tenant screening services that access these records, making future housing searches very difficult. While evictions don't directly appear on credit reports, related unpaid debts can damage your credit score. Some employers also conduct background checks that may reveal eviction history. The sealing process involves specific documentation, court procedures, and strict legal requirements. We strongly discourage attempting this without proper legal representation. The burden of proof falls on you as the tenant, and one mistake can result in denial of your petition. At Martinez Law Center, we understand that an eviction doesn't define you. Even when sealing isn't possible, there are alternative strategies we can explore together. Building new landlord references, demonstrating current financial stability, and working with tenant advocacy groups can help mitigate an eviction's impact. Remember, every case is unique. What worked for your neighbor might not apply to your situation due to different circumstances, timing, or jurisdictions.
Call now 714-442-9741. Thank you.